Hello all, Sanal here. Welcome back to OmegaCodex. Hope you are all doing fine. Today in this video, we are talking about health checks, minimal APIs, configuration, API versioning in .NET, Azure DevOps, Microservice AI, Azure Pipelines, deployment groups, Azure Service Bus, Azure DevOps Agent, gRPC, Azure Load Testing Structure. Hope that wasn't weird to start with. What can be better than a glimpse of what we did in last 1 year to start this video? As you might have already got it from the title, today OmegaCodex completes 1 year on YouTube. So today, no tech talks or no how-to-dos, but just simple chit-chat. Probably this is the most unscripted video on this channel. I only have few notes on few points which I want to touch about. So in our usual style, let's get started. On this very day, last year, I uploaded my first video on this channel. Though I have been pondering on the idea of creating a YouTube channel, and I did create this account I think in 2021, early 2021 I think. It wasn't until last year, December, that I was able to upload my first video. Even on that, I was like working for 2 months, probably somewhere I started working in October. And it was by end of December, I uploaded my first video. It was kind of a goal which I set for myself, that before 2023 begins, I should at least start my channel. Even on the topics which I wanted to share, I was thinking on what I could do on the channel, what I could talk about, and I kept on working on different ideas, but I could never zero in on one particular topic or one particular subject to touch. I felt that I had so much to share that I didn't know where to start. So I kept on looking for different ideas till I kind of arrived at my first video, which was health checks in .NET Core. But before we jump more into the YouTube journey, I thought probably I can speak a bit about myself. This is something which I haven't done probably on other videos. Most of you already know my name, and then you might have also seen the descriptions on the channel. But then I just wanted to tell a bit about myself. So my name is Sanal, and welcome to OmegaCodex. I work as a solution architect in a product-based company, and I have 18 plus years of experience, mostly into software development. I have experience working on different domains, be it telecom, manufacturing, or automobile, and throughout my career, I have worked on different kinds of applications, handling different kinds of use cases, and over this journey, I was fortunate enough to have great colleagues and mentors, and also interesting projects to work on where I have learned a lot. And when I was thinking about creating a YouTube channel, the idea behind that was to share whatever knowledge I have acquired all these years to help others through this channel. So I always wondered, what should I call my channel? And I kept on thinking different ideas and kept on thinking about different names. And somehow I have this fascination about Greek alphabets. Even from my school days, I had great fascination about these Greek alphabets, alpha, beta, gamma, which we usually use. So even when I was creating my gamer tag, when I was playing on a console, the gamer tag which I had was called the Omega Warrior. But I wanted to have Omega Warrior, but that was already taken, so I kind of added I to it. So I used to call I Omega Warrior. And when it was time to create this channel, so Omega was something I wanted to use. So Omega was something I decided I could use, and I kind of ended up with the name OmegaCodex. Now, why OmegaCodex? Because Omega is the last alphabet in the Greek alphabets, and Codex means book of laws or book of codes. So what I wanted this channel to become is your last destination in the quest of your knowledge. So whatever knowledge you're searching for and you happen to end up at OmegaCodex, I wanted it to be your final destination, that once you are here, your quest should end here. Whatever knowledge you are searching for, or whatever topic you are looking for to learn more, that quest should end here. And that's my goal. So that's my goal for this channel, that as this channel progresses and I add more and more content to this channel, I want this channel to become such a place. You may search at different places, but once you are here, you are satisfied enough with what you're getting from this channel, and your search should end here. And I hope that even in the videos which I am creating right now, in some ways I am able to do it. If not, definitely let me know, and I'll try to improve myself, try to share more and help this channel achieve the goal. And it has been an incredible year. When I look back to all the videos I have created and the things I have shared from last December till now, even when I look at my videos, the older ones, I kind of feel funny at times. But yeah, I have learned a lot over this process. I always enjoyed the process of creating a video and editing a video. Even in my college days, I used to work on small bits, not technical stuff, but I was always interested in that aspect of it, bringing things together and creating something new in the video. And that's a process which I enjoyed, and that's one of the reasons I started the YouTube channel rather than having a blog, because I somehow enjoyed this process of creating a video and the effort it took to create it, to ideate it, to script it, to record it, and then adding different elements to convey your message more effectively. So I enjoyed the whole process, and each video was a stepping stone for me. I was learning new things, new ways to communicate, new ideas to put through, and I was enjoying the whole process. And going forward also, I'll try improving and try to deliver the knowledge in more effective manner. Now, when I started this channel last year, and as I was saying earlier also, I was thinking about different ideas and what I could share on this channel, and then I zeroed in on 4 major sections, which from a full stack developer perspective I felt was important. So I even throughout my career, I have been kind of a full stack developer, addressing all different aspects of software development. And 4 important things which I kind of zeroed in one was programming. So be it any language, though most of my videos are specific to .NET or C# because that's one of my strong areas. And the second was DevOps, which is an important part of software delivery, because you can create something, but if you can't deliver it properly, then whatever you have worked on is kind of no use. So DevOps becomes an important part. And then the third was cloud, because now most of the things we work on are expected to be cloud native, or at least the expectation is that it should work anywhere. So, and cloud has also become an important part because many companies have started or have been moving to cloud over the last few years. So that becomes an important aspect as a full stack developer. And also the fourth and the final one, which I felt was solution architecture. So when you're building something, coding is fine, but if you're good at designing it, to architect it, then nothing better than that. So my intention or my idea about this channel was to help a person to become an efficient full stack developer, and then to take them to the next level to becoming an architect. And that's the idea I felt was more appealing to me, and I felt myself more aligned to it. And that's how I started creating videos on different aspects of it. So if you have gone through even my channel, you can find different varieties of videos where some of them I talk about Azure DevOps, some I talk about Azure, some I talk about different aspects of .NET, and some related to different architecture styles, or with microservices, or event-driven architecture. So as this channel grows and we put on more and more content out, so I'll try to address even more towards it. So even for next year, what I have envisioned for this channel is to have more such videos, specifically to build solutions around Azure and include different aspects of it. So building a solution in .NET, building it with keeping Azure in mind, and also using different Azure services which are available to create better solutions, and also to use DevOps or different DevOps strategies to make an efficient delivery. So it has been as I said, it has been an incredible journey this last 1 year, and I am even more excited to go ahead into the next year. Thank you for all the support and encouragement you all have given me throughout this year, even the critical feedbacks which I got from colleagues or friends and other subscribers. I'm grateful for that. Those feedbacks have helped me create better content on this channel, and I expect such feedbacks even in future. so that we together can make this channel better for everybody. So I think that's it. I don't want to make this video too long and boring for everybody. This was a simple wrap up for this year, and I look forward to having more engagement and interaction with you all in the next year. Wish you all a great year ahead. Happy New Year to all of you. That's all for now. This is Sanal signing off. Adios.